talk about how can you enable this sign or no, how you can do that on your Roblox apps. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click down here, click on more down here. When you click on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you scrolling down here until you will find here settings, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here, just click here on settings. So then you just switch into open video here. So then you just scrolling down here until you will find here hardware security case. Click in this sign. So then you click here on OK. Then it's going to take you to this list, enter your code from your email, you click on verify, then it's going to enable with you. As well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.